Good morning, everyone. I'm DM Ginaling with Anthony Angkahas. So, what will we will talk about the purpose of mechanical engineering. So, mechanical engineering has been at the heart of human progress for centuries. As a discipline deeply rooted in the principles of physics and material science, it has wide applications from automotive industry to medical care to aerospace technology. Today, mechanical engineering play a major role in addressing the challenges and opportunities of the future by creating more efficient, sustainable, and intelligent solutions. Engineers are leveraging frontline research in areas such as nanotechnology, robotics, and renewable energy to improve how people live and work. So, what is the definition of mechanical engineering and what is its significance in daily life? Mechanical engineering is actually one of the oldest branches of engineering, involving the principles of physics, engineering, mathematics, and material science to analyze, design, and manufacture mechanical systems. While you may not realize it, if you have mechanical engineering to thank for the modern day conveniences we have grown accustomed to using every day. From creating products and technologies to meet humans' needs, to small devices in our home, to large systems in high-rises, office buildings, and even aircraft.
Innovation and technological advancement by mechanical engineering. Leading the way in industrial innovations has always been mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineers have consistently innovated to satisfy the constantly changing demands of international industries, from steam engine to contemporary robotics. As global companies adopt automation, sustainability, and technological innovations, mechanical engineering is essential to determining the course of the future. Mechanical engineering has been a driving force behind technological advancements that have transformed industries and improved the quality of life. Innovation, designs, manufacturing, and automation have enabled the development of more efficient, reliable, and sustainable systems. And about the sustainability and the future of society with the help of mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering contributes to sustainability by reducing fossil fuel dependency, improving quality of life, supporting economic growth, and promoting environmental responsibility and long-term resource conservation. According to Case Western Reserve University's study this strategy, which was first described development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. By Brundtland report in 1987, places a strong emphasis on striking a balance between three important pillars, such as solar justice, economic growth, and environmental preservation. In order to build a more resilient and just future for society, mechanical engineering will keep pushing sustainable innovation by striking a balance between environment, stewardship, and technical growth.
So, in conclusion, the mechanical engineering fields holds a vital role on shaping the history of advancement in technology. As our world keeps changing, new technologies emerge that reshape the future of engineering. And before we end our presentation, we would like to leave quote by William Conquamba from his book, The Boy Who Harnessed the Mind. Think of your dreams and ideas as tiny miracle machines inside you that no one can touch. The more faith you put into them, the bigger they get. Until one day, they'll rise up and taking you with them. Thank you.